Hello geeks, welcome back to another video of 30 days of JavaScript, and today we'll be solving the second question of the playlist. So हमारा second question is 2620, which is the counter question, and this one can be a little tricky for the beginners. So इसको ध्यान से देखना, like line by line इसको पहले हम question को समझेंगे, then we'll understand कि what the question wants to say, then we'll try to solve the solution. Okay. So first it is saying given an integer n, return a counter function. So will be given a integer n which can be any number, and we have to return a function that is a counter function. This counter function initially return n and then return one more than the previous value. That means if the counter, okay, I'll show you over here. That means if the counter is returning 10, then again if you are calling it, it will be giving us 11. And again if we call it, it should give us 12. Uh, then the previous value subsequent time it is called. As I said, n plus 1, n plus 2. Okay. So in the first example, let's look at the example. So n is equal to 10. Okay. And we have 10 over here and it is being called 3 times. So the output here is 10, 11, 12. The first time it is called, it returned 10. Second time it returned 11. And the third time it returned 12. Same, let's go to the example number 2. Over here, we have n equal to minus 2. So here we are calling it like 5 times. So it won't be like we are increasing it. Okay. So we are adding 1. So minus 2, then minus 1, then 0, then 1, then 2. So same way, we have to try to solve the question. So initially, as the LeetCode interface is there, they already give you a function. You just have to write your logic over there. You don't have to create the function again and again. So this is pretty much good, but I would suggest the beginner students to either create a function by themselves, or that will be easy for you guys to like learn about the functions as well. So right now we'll see what is written over here. So we have a create counter function, create counter variable, which is returning a function, calling a function actually. And inside the function, we are again returning a function, and that is this function. Okay. So now what we have to do, let's see, we are getting an argument n. So let's just say we have, let's just try returning. So first, initially we need to return n initially, okay? So what if we'll do, let's just say we do n equal to n plus 1, okay? And then let's just return n, okay? And let's try running this. So over here we got the wrong answer because it is 11, 12, and 13. Now, what we want is, we want initially, um, okay, so we initially want that it should be 10, 11, 12. So it is what is happening here. We want the first integer to be printed as it is in the first go. Okay. So what we can do is we can get a variable over here. Okay. We can create a variable. Let's say let's a equal to false. Okay. And initially let's make it true. Okay, and then we can put a condition over here like if a, then if a is there, then return n. Okay, and now before this we have to do one more thing, that let's make a false over here. Okay, we'll make a false over here. If a, then a equal to false, then return n. So it will be only executed one time. Okay, it won't be executing again and again. This will be only executed one time, and after that our n will be executed by increment, by one increment. Let's just run it out. Okay, so we have the test cases passed over here. As you can see, the first test case has been passed and the second test case has also been passed. Let's try submitting it and we'll see if it gets submitted, all the test cases or not. Okay, so the question has been submitted and the total runtime is 46 ms and the memory consumption is 48.16 MB, which beats 79.18%. So that's it for today's video, and keep grinding. Let me know how many questions have you solved till then, and do like, share, and subscribe if you like this video. Thanks.